Now let's take a look at your weather. Kayla, what is going on? It is getting colder and colder, but thank God at least the rain stopped for now. Can we count on that to be the case tomorrow?
Not going to be the case tomorrow. We do have precipitation returning, but we can count on temperatures getting colder as we head over the next couple of days. It has been a mostly cloudy day right now. The cloud cover in general has been getting a little bit less thick, though you're still going to see it blanketed across the sky. The clouds will thicken again overnight tonight as a quick moving low pressure system is on the way. Right now you see a whole lot of snow with it. Well, not a whole lot of snow, but more so just the dominant precipitation type of that system is snow. Not exactly going to be the case by the time it reaches us. We will see temperatures in the lowlands a bit too warm at the surface. Could see some patches of freezing rain, so rain that freezes on contact, or just some regular rain before we see all snow showers. For the mountains, it is likely going to be cold enough to start and finish as all snow. Our temperatures right now are generally in the mid-30s in the lowlands. These temperatures looking a bit more regular than they did yesterday, where up further towards the north it was chilly and we were struggling to reach 40 degrees, so kind of similar to what we're seeing today. Meanwhile, further down towards the south, it's a big difference. We were seeing temperatures in the low 50s yesterday. Now those temperatures looking similar to our temperatures up north. Higher elevations are generally in the upper 20s. We'll only see temperatures falling maybe another 3 to 5 degrees or so by the time we reach tomorrow morning. So expect to wake up to temperatures in about the low 30s in the lowlands and the mid to upper 20s in the higher elevations. Our high temperatures tomorrow may get a degree or two warmer in some areas in the lowlands than what we saw today, which kind of helps that difference in precipitation to keep it from being all snow as it reaches us. But once that system moves fully to our east, it's going to usher in some much colder air for the weekend. Temperatures are going to be struggling to reach freezing point in the entirety of north central West Virginia. Higher elevations definitely not going to get there. We'll probably have a wind chill on top of that, as we do expect it to be a little bit breezy in the wake of that system. It's going to be a cold morning Sunday with low temperatures bottoming out in the teens and single digits across the area, those single digits reserved for the higher terrains. And Sunday's high temperatures not going to be improving all that much. We'll once again stay below freezing, but we will see temperatures improving heading into next week and heading into the holiday. But looking at the futurecast, that cloud cover gets thick again overnight tonight. We see a little bit of snow shower activity very early tomorrow morning, likely more so just in the higher elevations. So it could mean a messy early morning commute in Preston County, Tucker, Randolph, Pocahontas, maybe some spots of Webster County as well. So be cautious of that. Now, as we head towards the afternoon, we start to see that precipitation across more of north central West Virginia, starting as rain and some very small patches of freezing rain in the lowlands. So that's going to lead to a slightly messy evening commute for everybody. We'll see rain transitioning into snow showers once the sun sets and the temperatures start to get a little bit colder. Any precipitation will be tapering off in the overnight in the lowlands, lingering for a bit longer in the higher elevations, likely tapering off once we get towards Saturday afternoon. Snowfall amounts expected to stay pretty low with this system in general. We won't be seeing more than an inch in the lowlands, especially because of that beginning of rain showers rather than snow showers. Getting into the higher elevations, could see about 1 to 2 inches in some of those areas. Further down towards those southern higher elevations, could see a little bit more accumulation. In the 3 to 6 inch range, generally expect to see those 5 to 6 inches only in some of those highest peaks of southern Randolph and western Webster County and portions of Pocahontas County. Not too many of us are going to be seeing that much snow with this system. Looking at next week, our temperatures do start to get warmer heading into the holiday, but there is a potential for some precipitation. Now, unfortunately, that's not going to be a white Christmas because the temperatures will be too warm to sustain that as snow.